Hello. In this video, we'll learn how to create a drop-down list in Excel, just like this. A drop-down list allows you to select an answer without typing it, which can save time and reduce errors. It can be a long list like this, or a short one like this. Let's get started. We have this Excel sheet, and we want to add a large drop-down list in this cell, and a short drop-down list in this cell. To create the large drop-down list, select the cell where you want the drop-down list. Go to the Data menu. Click on Data Validation, then select Data Validation. In the window that appears, make sure you're in the Settings tab. Under Allow, choose List. Now you'll see a field called Source. Click inside it, then select the range of items you want to include in your list. Press Enter, then click OK. You'll now see a small arrow next to the cell. This means your drop-down list has been added successfully. You can now select an answer directly from a list. Now for this cell, we'll create the short drop-down list. Let's do the same for the short drop-down list. Select the cell where you want the list. Go to the Data menu. Click on Data Validation. Under Allow, select List. In the source box, this time we'll type the items directly, separated by commas. For example, yes, comma, no, then click OK. Again, you'll see the small arrow next to the cell, indicating the drop-down list is ready. And that's it. Now you know how to create both long and short drop-down lists in Excel easily.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.